Alright, so today I'm about to show you something super interesting. I'm talking about a brand that's absolutely crushing it in e-commerce. And the product they are selling might just surprise you. So the brand called Smart Nora, and they have come up with a genius solution for a pretty annoying problem, snoring. Yeah. If you or someone you know snores, snoring, how frustrating it can be, especially for the person sleeping next to them. So here's how they tackle it. Instead of forcing you to buy a whole new pillow, they created a device that works with any pillow. So it inflates and deflates silently to gently adjust your head position while you sleep, and apparently that's enough to reduce snoring, right? Now let's take a look at their landing page. It's clean, simple and fast, exactly how a high converting site should be. The price is 510 Canadian dollar, and if you simply convert US Canadian dollar to US dollar, I think it might be 350 to 360 US dollar. But for a solution that could fix your sleep for good, I can see why people are buying it. One thing I did notice though is that their review section wasn't working properly. When I click on it, little mistake there, but where their brand really shine is in their marketing strategy. They are running a bunch of Facebook ads, and when I say a bunch, I mean it. Some of their ads are not amazing though, but I'll be honest, there's one ad where it feels a bit too scripted and overacted. If I were them, I would tighten that up with some B-roll clips showing how the product actually works. Honestly, I think this brand has serious potential, and I would love to work with them and scale them even more. I can already see the potential for better conversion, better creative, and stronger UGC style ads. So now let me just show you something fun. Let's head over Alibaba and check out for the competition. If you search for snoring device, you can see a bunch of options like nose tape, mouth tape, chin strap, and even mouth guard. All pretty basic solution, and some of them definitely work, but none of them are as clean as Smart Nora device. Most of these products are uh, old school approaches, but Smart Nora it's completely a different level. And honestly, I love when brand go beyond the obvious and create something that feel fresh, innovative and premium. So yeah, I just wanted to share this brand with you because I think it's a great example of solving problem in smart, unique way. If you're thinking about launching an e-commerce brand, so this is the type of creative thinking you want to aim for. Find problem, create a better solution, and then market it simply and smartly.